How to log in to Upwork account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Upwork account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Upwork application on your device and you will be led to the login portal of Upwork. Now, if you want to log in using your email, then go ahead and enter your email address and tap on the continue button. Or you can also log in using your Google account or your Apple ID. I will log in using my email. So, if you're logging in using your email too, then enter your email and tap on continue. You will then be asked to enter your password linked to your account. So go ahead and enter your password and tap on the login button and you will be successfully logged in to Upwork. Just in case, if you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the forgot password button and recover your password and log in further. So this is how you can log in to Upwork account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.